What's up guys, it's John here. Today I want to show you an investment opportunity where you can invest in office building with only $1,000. They paid you 8.4% in rental dividend income. Before I start, I just want to ask you a small favor. Please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. This will help my YouTube algorithm tremendously. Thank you. So the investment opportunity is sponsored by a platform called Streetwise. And the investment itself is called First Street Office Inc. This is a public non-traded real estate investment trust that invests in office buildings. And the business plan is to find great properties in secondary market. Then you buy them and own them for the long term to generate high income yields. And from that long-term ownership, they intend to acquire over time a diversified portfolio of quality office buildings in Columbus, Minneapolis, and Kansas City. So the focus of this investment is on rental income generation as well as long-term capital appreciation. Currently, the investment owns about 2 large office complexes in St. Louis, Missouri, and Indianapolis in Indiana. Let me show you some of their prominent tenants they have. The one is the Panera Bread headquarters, and the other one is the Allied Solution headquarters. They all rent a lot of office space from this company. The other well-known tenants include New Balance, AMN Healthcare, Wells Fargo, FC Tucker, just to name a few. All these are very well-known companies and very creditworthy tenants. The investment make rental distribution every quarter. So it's just like paying dividend income. Currently, the distribution rate is about 8.4%, which is phenomenal. I mean, nowadays, it's really hard to find any stock that pay 8.4%. So this rental property is paying out 8.4. So just holding it on and wait for the price appreciation, you will get 8.4% every year. So if you have $10,000 invested, you will get $840 per year in passive income, not including the future appreciation of the buildings. The minimum investment to get into this investment trust is only $1,000. I'm going to give you some pros and cons of this investment. One of the pros is that it pays a very high dividend yield, as I mentioned before, 8.4% per year. And they have a very experienced management team overseeing the operations, and they own high quality office building with credit-worthy tenants. They also use very low financial leverage. On average, they use 50% loan to value as their underwriting criteria. I'm going to show you some of the drawback as well. Due to the current pandemic situation, the office sector may be more vulnerable to the current economic condition. Since this is a new pandemic, we never know what the full extent of the effect on the economy, so this is definitely a risk factor you need to consider. There's also a concentration risk. Panera Bread headquarters and Allied Solution headquarters account for more than 50% of the total rental income. So if they somehow lose one of these tenants, it's going to be a tremendous impact on the rental income. That's another thing you definitely need to consider before you invest. Okay, I would like to get some feedback from you. Let me know what you think. Comment below. I also do private financial and tax consultation for any inquiry. My email can be found in the description section below. I hope you learned something today, and I hope I present a new investment opportunity for you. You know, sometimes it's very hard to invest in office building unless you have millions and millions of dollars sitting around. But this kind of investment opportunity, giving people an opportunity to invest in commercial property with a more reasonable budget. So I hope you enjoy video like this. I produce new content every week and I don't want you to miss it. So I'll see you in my next video.